Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In here, I wanna show you how to add stretch right transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you wanna add a transition effect, so you just click on the box white icon, this one, click on it. And then in here, you just click on the effect. And after this, you can swipe until you can see stretch right. This one, you just click on it. And after this, you can set the duration for the transition effect, this one. So you just swipe or left or right like this. And after this, if you wanna add this transition effect to all videos, so you just click on apply to all. And after this, you can click check icon in here and finish. So that how to add stretch right effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.